this is what I like about you guys. You guys love to learn so much. I just got a video on Seesaw. Let's see, where is it here? Let me get, and it is from Lori. Let's see, Lori. And I will link to it. And it is about squirrel monkeys. She just did this on her own. And she included 8 facts about squirrel monkeys because she is 8 years old. So I thought, hey, why not make this our first assignment? So I would like everyone to make a 8 facts about an animal that you like and write them down, and then draw a picture on the back, just like she did. And I think I'm going to do, well, I asked Lori, I said, where'd you get your information? And she said she typed in educational videos on squirrel monkeys into YouTube. So now, parents, I recommend you at least be in the same room if your kid's ever on YouTube, but preferably actually watching them. And here, I'm actually having my kids do this too. Here's Remy, he's doing his on New Cows. And let's see, J2's doing, what are you doing? Axolotls. And Elena, what are you doing? Wombats. And so I think I'm going to do mine. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to YouTube. Oh, okay. So YouTube, and then I'm going to type in educational videos on Triceratops. And look, there's lots of stuff that comes up. So, yeah, get started. I can't wait to see these. And make sure you share them on Seesaw. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.